Elongation and flakiness test on aggregate. Elongated aggregate are those which are too long that they are prone to break along the length when the load is applied. Aggregate said to be elongated when its greatest dimension is greater than 1.8 times of their mean dimension. Flaky aggregate are those which are too thin and may be prone to break into pieces when load is applied. Aggregate is said to be flaky when its least dimension, that is thickness, is less than 3 by 5 times of their mean dimension.
The another important property of the aggregate is its elongation index value. If the size of the particle is too long, then there is a probability of it breaking into pieces from between. Now again we take a sample of the aggregates. The minimum number of aggregates should be more than 200. Now the weight of the aggregate sample need to be noted. Now elongation index, we have to find the weight of all those aggregate whose size is greater than the standard size. Now again we will perform the sieve analysis similar to the flakiness test value, in which we have taken the 20 mm sieve, 16 mm sieve, 12.5 mm sieve, 10 mm sieve, 6.3 mm sieve and pen. Now once a thorough sieve is done of all the sample of the aggregates, the aggregate will be retained on the suitable sieve based on their size. Now we will measure the aggregates in each pan or sieve and will do the test to ensure that number of aggregates which are greater in size than the suitable size, or the number of aggregate which are elongated. Now first we have taken this particular sieve of 20 mm and these aggregates are retained on this sieve. Now we will do the elongation test on these aggregates through the corresponding sieve. If the particle is retained or if the particle is not able to pass through the elongation gauge, then it is said to be too long. Now this point to be noted, the length of slot corresponding to 20 mm and 16 mm sieve is calculated as 9 by 5 times of the average size of the sieve. So a particle is said to be elongated if its size is greater than 1.8 times of the average value of the corresponding sieve. We have to weight all those aggregates which are elongated, that is not able to pass through the elongation gauge. And note the value of the weight of the aggregate which are elongated. Now we will take the sample which have passed through 16 mm sieve and retained on 12.5 mm sieve. Now there are no such particles. Now these are those particles which are passed through the 16 mm sieve and retained on the 12.5 mm sieve. Now again we will do the elongation test for these aggregates. Now those aggregates which are not able to pass through the elongation gauge for the corresponding sieve are said to be elongated. And this elongated particle may have the tendency to break into pieces because of too long character. We must remember that those particles whose size is greater than 9/5 of the average value of the sieves are said to be elongated, or those aggregates whose maximum size is or maximum dimension is more than 1.8 times of the average value of the corresponding sieve are said to be elongated. Now for each sieve we have done the elongation test and have measured the weight of the aggregates which are too long or not able to pass through the elongation gauge, and have noted the readings for all the individual sieves. By summing up or by adding all these values, we can get the value of total weight of the aggregate which are elongated. The elongation index or the value is the percentage of total weight of the material retained on various length gauge by the total weight of the sample into 100. Here we can note that total weight of the aggregate which are retained are the ones which are elongated, and because of that they are not able to pass through the sieve. Whereas in the flakiness value, those which are able to pass are the ones which are too thin, and hence the weight is taken for those particles. As per IS code, flakiness and elongation test are not applicable to aggregate sizes lesser than 6.3 mm size.
Now some important points. Both the test, elongation and flakiness test, are not applicable for aggregate size lesser than 6.3 mm. The presence of elongated aggregate more than 10 to 15% is undesirable for concrete. The excess amount of flaky particle is also undesirable.